which will be x in millimeter, this one y in millimeter. So this a into x in millimeter cube, similarly a into y in millimeter cube, right? Component. So this is first component, this is second component, and this one will be third component. So component 1 that will be rectangle 1. So in rectangle 1, what is its area? 150 into 20. So that will be 150 into 20. So that will be 3000. What is it? CG with reference to x. So that will be with reference to 1 1. So here, so what is this one? Let us take this width as 20 mm. So here this is total 100 minus 20. So this distance will be 80 mm. So 80 plus 150 by 2. 80 plus 150 divided by 2. So that will be 150 by 2 plus of 80. So that will be 155 you will get. This is 155 mm. So what is the CG with reference to 2 to axis? So that will be 20 by 2. So this will be 20 by 2. That will be 10 millimeter. Next, a into x. This is area corresponding x. So that will be 3000 multiplied by 155. So that what you will get? 465 into 10 raised to 3. 465 into 10 raised to 3. What is AY? Area into y. So that will be 3000 multiplied by 10. So that will be 30 into 10 raised to 3. Similarly, go for the second one. Rectangle 2. For the rectangle 2, so that will be 1 1. Area how much you will get? So 100 multiplied by 20. That will be 2000. So next one will be CG about 1 1. So this will be total from here to here. This is 80 plus 20 by 2. 80 plus 20 by 2. So that will be 90. This is x. So what is the y? So I can take 20 plus 100 by 2. 20 plus 100 by 2. So that will 50 plus 20. That will be 70. So 2000 multiplied by 90. A into x. Area into x distance. So that will be 180 into 10 raised to 3. 180 into 10 raised to 3. Similarly, this 2000 and again multiplied by this 70. That is a into y. So 2000 multiplied by 70. How much you will get? 140 into 10 raised to 3. 140 into 10 raised to 3. And the next one, go for the third rectangle. Rectangle number 3. So what is its area? 100 into 20. That will be 2000. Next one will be with reference CG with 1 1. Total 100 by 2. 100 divided by 2. So that will be 50 mm. The next one with reference to YY. 20 plus 100 plus 20 by 2. 20 plus 100 plus 20 by 2. How much you will get? 20 plus 100 plus 10. 130. So you are getting 130. So area into x, do it. How much you will get? 2000 multiplied by 50. 100 into 10 raised to 3. And again next one will be 2000 into 130. 2000 into 130. So we are getting 260 into 10 raised to 3. 260 into 10 raised to 3. So what is the total area you are getting? Summation of A. So 3000 plus 2000 plus 2000. So that will be 7000. So that will be this, this and this. Next one, summation of A into X. Summation of A into X, how much you will get? So this one, that will be 465 10 raised to 3, 180 into 10 raised to 3 plus 100 into 10 raised to 3. 465 into 10 raised to 3 plus of 180 into 10 to the power. So I can write 465 plus 180 plus 100. So that will be 745 into 10 raised to 3 millimeter cube, summation of AY. So that will be 30 plus of 140 plus of 260. So that will be 430 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter cube. So that will be your x bar, which is equal to summation of A into x divided by summation of A. So that will be AX will be 745 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 7000. So 745 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 7000. 106.4285 millimeter. Similarly, y bar, which is equal to summation of AY by summation of A. This one will be 430 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 7000. So that will be 430 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 7000. 61.42 millimeter. So here I can write, so this one, which will be equal to, with reference to your given Z section. So here this is like this. So I can, this is 1 axis and this is 2 axis, this is 2 this is 1. So this is very important, that we are supposed to show the what is the CG distances. So here how much you've got? I got 106.425. My x bar distance will be here. X bar so this distance will be 67.5 millimeter and 106.428 millimeter. Sometimes we will get away from the body also, this centroidal distances, don't worry. So this is y bar. X bar will be 106.428 and y bar will be 67.5 millimeter. So that will be 61.42, sorry. So this will be 61.42 millimeter. X bar will be 106.428, y bar will be 61.42 millimeter. So here again also, as we have done the previous problem, so here also what we have done, initially we fixed the reference axis and after that we checked out the symmetrical axis. So there is no symmetrical axis along the both axes. So that's why what we have done, so we have done with reference to both axes I have calculated. So component same, area same, CG about 1 with reference to 1 axis and CG with reference to 2 axis. With reference to these axes I have found out the first area moment for both the axes, AX and similarly AY. I have calculated A into X, similarly A into Y. Finally found out x bar, which is equal to 106.428 and similarly 61.42 millimeter. So this is with reference to 1 axis and this one will be with reference to 2 axis. Right. So this is what about the I section and similarly for your the Z section. So here we have done the 3 problems, so 4 problems. So one will be I section, one will be T section and one will be Z section. And again we have checked also the symmetrical axis. So without having the symmetrical axis it is not possible to calculate. I mean it is lengthier. If you have the symmetrical axis, it is half of your problem will be done, right? So in next classes, so we will solve some other problems, right? Thank you.